what advice for any law enforcement officers that are just coming in this career field right now? What would be one of the biggest things you would say to a new person that's green, that's just walking in to this career field? What would you say to them in today's
That's
society?
well, today's society in particular, but any society, and I had this conversation, I would say this a lot as the academy director. Come into the business for the right reason. This job is not about you, not how cool you look in uniform, not how fast you can drive in a car, but come into this business because you want to serve others. You want to protect others. It's okay to get the adrenaline rush. It's okay to enjoy it, but make sure you're coming into this for the right reason, and that's service to others. Have that belief in service to others. It's not about you. It's not about how much money you're going to make. You do got to take that into consideration, but it's about others and it's about service. And come into it with that servant attitude, and you will be happy and you will be successful. The minute you start thinking about you, you lose
Yeah.
that.
It's funny you mentioned the money part because I've seen throughout my career, and I'm sure it's still happening in all states, where you could be working for a really great law enforcement agency, right? And it may not pay, it might not be the top tier bracket of pay that you want, but you come to work and you do your job, and the the bosses are happy and everything. But then you get this opportunity to transfer or lateral to an agency that may pay $20,000 to $30,000 more a year, or $10,000 more a year. And I've seen so many police officers make that jump, right, from a place that they were content and happy with, just to make that money, and they get over to that new agency and they're miserable. Yeah, so always take that into consideration before you make the jump and make the move, because the grass is not always greener on the other side. And there's other ways to supplement your income if you feel that money is that big of an issue, but the, like I saw it so many times. And you check on that guy when he or gal when 3-4 months down the road when they're at that new agency, and you're so how's it going? And it's just they're in a shit show.
Yeah, exactly. And another thing I would tell a rookie too is find a department, police department, law enforcement agency that fits your personality. Don't go there because you like their cars. Don't go there because their badge is cooler than the rest. Find the agency that fits your personality. For example, if you're an individual that likes to be out in the wilderness and on your own, maybe you're best off as a wildlife officer. Or you just like the inner city, maybe whatever your personality is, find the agency that fits your personality and stay there, even if the pay isn't as high as some of the others, because job happiness is half the battle with us.